that water?
And soap. It's like it's raining, isn't it? Oh. So, gone a bit dark, isn't it?
Is it doing it then?
Is he watching it?
Is it doing it then? It's doing it.
It's gonna look. It's cleaning the car like that. It's going round and round and round and cleaning all the soap off. You see, look.
Cleans the wheels.
You see? Can you see it? It's alright, we're all together. Doesn't matter. In the roof. It's cleaning the roof. It's cleaning the roof. And it's cleaning Oscar's window.
Thanks. Thanks, Mrs. Bugs.
Oh, it's got a drip coming in there.
I'm not there.
He's cleaning it and then he's going to come back to make sure that every bit of soap is off.
Where?
Oh, did you not see it coming in?
They're
Drip.
coming back.
You see it when it's right above it.
They're coming back.
It's coming back now to finish cleaning the soap.
That's why.
Mister?
He's just going to do an extra clean. Say thanks.
Thanks.
And it's going to come down here, look. Watch here, and it will come down. See?
Oh, it's clean.
Now it's clean, now it's going to dry it. You hear it?
Now that's coming down.
That's going to come down. I always get worried it won't move. So it does like literally the last second, doesn't it? Well, see, it's drying it.
Where are you? Thanks.
Now it's to come back over one more time. And then it's done. And then we wait for a green light.
light comes on.
It'll stop in a minute. It will.
Green light will come on up there, Oscar.
Is it finished?
Mhm. There you go.
You see a green light?
Yeah.
Flashing arrow.
Yeah. Hang on. Thanks, Mr. Fly.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're ready to go.